Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically turn off those like annoying chats that randomly appear in Grey Garden. Okay, maybe it's like not super annoying for people who just played this game, but I played this game for a while and I already know pretty much everything, so I don't need this. This is what I mean, by the way. If you want to turn that off, you absolutely can. You can just go to settings here. I just like found out about this, but you're just going to scroll down, tips, show game tips in chat, and you're just going to turn it off and you won't have this anymore. So yeah, that is how you can turn off in-game tips in like the chat in Grey Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.